some
Bunny!
It's two little bunnies. Come here, bunny.
Can't say it enough. My nails look and feel better than ever. If you haven't picked up a box of Two Tech Advanced Revival, it's about time you did. Head to
And they're sisters.
Target.
And this one is Marshmallow.
Oh.
And this one is Praline. So they're very
Oh.
sweet. They're a sweet treat.
How old are they?
Marshmallow. They're a year and a half.
Oh, great.
And they're bonded, which means
They're going to need to go
they
together.
have to go together. They're besties. And they're very, very
Oh,
gentle.
whoa, whoa. Yes, this is Slippy. This is Slippy
That's
for.
right. Look, it's
You
ice.
do look like a praline. Look at you.
It makes me. She makes me hungry just looking at her.
Are they litter trained?
They are litter trained.
Great.
If they don't have a litter box, such as now,
Yeah.
they could have a little poo on the
Ah,
floor.
well,
and I brought
those
a
are
little,
easy to
They
clean up.
are easy.
And sometimes they'll take care of them themselves.
That's exactly right. And some people, here's an interesting fact for you, some people who are real bunny aficionados will eat bunny poo.
Oh, my goodness.
Because it's completely organic.
Yeah,
Which I find
very
to
much
be-
so. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'd rather just have carrots or
Yes.
something. As a matter of fact, I think I have a carrot in my bag.
I brought some special fruit.